Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking permissions and updates because recording requires host rights and current apps. Once you confirm the Classroom Teacher account can create Meet links, open the class, tap Meet link, and join as the host. Make sure Meet's recording feature is visible in meeting controls. If not, ask your admin. Also verify microphone and camera access in system settings and clear some storage so the video saves. These first steps set a stable foundation before you hit record. Once in the meeting, you press the 3 dots and select Record Meeting. You must notify students because recordings include audio and video. After starting, orient your phone, landscape for 16:9, and lock auto-rotate so framing stays steady. Enable Do Not Disturb to prevent interruptions, and keep an eye on battery and storage indicators because long sessions can stop automatically. If you present, share your screen from Meet or present a window. This captures slides and video together for the final file. To finish, stop recording and leave the meeting. Google processes and saves the file to the host's drive under Meet Recordings and posts it to Classroom. Once processed, confirm the file, rename it for clarity, and post the link to classwork. If the recording is missing, check drive permissions and folder visibility, confirm admin recording retention isn't restricting saves, and verify your phone completed upload. Toggle Wi-Fi and rejoin drive to force sync. If processing fails, re-record a short clip to test settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.